Alright folks, what do we have here in the time tunnel? Something a little new. Yeah, very new for me. InstaFlow 2 Pro. Now this is the ultimate AI bundle, I guess. Your pocket AI filmmaker. So basically this is like a gimbal, and a very spendy little gimbal. I think this thing retailed at like $200 and some. But I noticed it's coming down, and you can find it for around, I think you can find it around $150-ish to $109. Okay, here we go. Alright, I did already break the seal and unpack it and charge it, because you should do that with everything before you mess with it, so you don't run out of battery power before you get it all set up. There's the free tilt mode. Now some of this, you need to go through and read a lot of this, or you're not even going to be able to know how to turn it on. All the guides. It had some nice boxing in here. Packaging. Cables. Now this is for your phone, in case you want to stick it on permanently onto some phone that don't fit. With this, at least this fits, and it's got a magnet on the other end of this, and it's very strong. I mean, this thing pops on there. It lets you know. So, let's get the unit out itself. Got some stickers. This had a deal on the bottom for holding this, but I tore it out. Okay, and let's see it. Got it in their special bag, the Insta360 bag. Now when this showed up, I thought it was actually a stand for an Insta360, but I thought, why would you need a gimbal for a camera that already got the gyros built into it and all that kind of stuff? But no, this is for cell phones. Basically cell phones only. It has this attachable and detachable little AI unit thing. And basically, I didn't even know. When I first got this thing, I was pushing this and pushing that, trying to get it to fire up. And to really activate it, you got to open it up. And then it'll get ready to activate and do whatever you want. And there's the NFC. If you tap your phone there, it'll take you to the web page, and it basically will take you to the spot where you download the app. You have to have the app for this to make it work with the AI and your camera. But if once you hook them up and bind them with the Bluetooth, yeah, it works. It seems to work. So you open that and that turns it on instantly. We'll put it in stand mode for now. Okay, there it goes. Alright. Now if you notice, it's already gimbaling. Look at this. Keeping the phone pretty much gimbaled. And you can move it around like this, move it up, move it down. And I'll show you the AI stuff, what it does, kind of. Maybe. We'll see if it's working. I haven't got quite the knack of the whole AI stuff completely, but we'll give it a go. Okay, let's flip the camera around. See if it recognizes me. Okay, to get the AI going, it works on hand signals and weird stuff like that. Kind of a pain in the butt sometimes. You got to connect it to the phone, connect it to the app, recheck everything. Sometimes it works, sometimes it don't. You do this, like finger moves, and see it blinking. Then you do this, and it'll start following me. You do this, like finger moves, and see it blinking. Then you do this, and it'll start following me. should. And I probably don't got it on the most stable surface for it. It does have a little power, but it's very quiet, even with the gyro stuff going on. You do that to stop it. And there it goes again. It'll track me. And there it goes again. It'll track me wherever I go. Kind of like a selfie stick. It's got the selfie stick thing here. And you can take it all the way out. And it does have a spot to go on a regular camera mount. So you could use this thing on a regular mount. Now, it has another option here too, where you put it over like this. And there you go. It'll basically be your own little... Now, is it worth $150? Probably. It is a very, you can see I'm doing this, I'm moving around like crazy. It is a very, you can see I'm doing this, I'm moving around like crazy. Holding on, especially if you have a very shaky hand. This might help you with a lot of shots. Will I use it? Probably. It's kind of a nifty little gimbal, and I might be able to get a lot of use out of this thing. At first I was skeptical. I thought it was very overcomplicated, and it frustrated me a little at first. You couldn't really tell what you were going to do with it or how to do it. Basically though, unfold it first. I was afraid to unfold it because it felt like you're going to break it or something, but no. Unfold it and then it should fire up, but make sure to fully charge it. But other than that, it's kind of a nifty unit. Look at that gimbal work. And these buttons right here, like this one, it'll flip it around into another mode for taking selfies or something, or recording in that kind of format. Just at a touch of a button. This one here, I think, does a 360. Now I tell you, it does this whisper quiet. It is absolutely quiet. That impressed me. A lot of gimbals and gyros and stuff, sometimes you'll hear it. That impressed me. A lot of gimbals and gyros and stuff, sometimes you'll hear it. You'll just hear them in there going... So what do I think about it? As a selfie stick, one of the best I've ever used. Now, I haven't used that many selfie sticks, but some of them have been pretty terrible. Some of them so jittery, it'd just be like this, just a shaky deal. And this thing is really compensating for it. I got it on AI mode now, so it's trying to follow me. There we go, turn that off. It'll be a little less jittery and stop trying to follow me. And so far, it's an amazing bit of kit. So, if you need a little stand, and I'm gonna actually get some use out of this and need a gimbal and something you can run around with, and I'm gonna try to use this in all sorts of situations. Put this on the end of like camera stands and stuff and see how it does. The only thing I would say downside, you can't put any other cameras on it. Basically, it's stuck to cell phones. So for cell phone operation, yeah, I don't know if you can find anything better or cheaper for, especially if you get it. I seen one site was selling it for $109, and it wasn't a ripoff. It was from B&K, I think. So go look it up, and I would say for $150, yeah, it's still a very interesting bit of kit. Plus, it also is its own battery bank, so you can actually take this thing and charge your phone off of it and all sorts of stuff. So it actually has dual purpose and really nifty little gadget. At first, I was very skeptical, but after playing with it, what a neat selfie stick and gimbal. It's a nice little gimbal. I'm gonna go use it around the car shows this year. Not so big and in the face of everybody, and I like that. Anyways, have a good one, folks. Hope you enjoyed.